Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take iodine supplements. Iodine is a vital mineral, crucial for your thyroid gland to produce hormones that regulate metabolism and energy. Many individuals find it challenging to get sufficient iodine through diet alone, making supplementation a practical option. We'll cover the best ways to incorporate iodine into your routine, ensuring you support your body effectively and safely. When considering iodine, dosage is key. Typical daily recommendations vary, often starting around 150 micrograms for general health, but can go up to 5 milligrams for specific needs. You can choose between liquid drops, which allow for precise adjustments and quick absorption, or convenient tablets and capsules that offer a consistent, pre-measured dose every time. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. To maximize benefits, take your iodine supplement with a meal. This can help prevent any stomach discomfort. It's also beneficial to pair iodine with selenium, as these two minerals work synergistically to support healthy thyroid function. Remember to store your supplements properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency and effectiveness over time. While beneficial, it's important to be aware of potential side effects from excessive iodine, which can sometimes lead to thyroid dysfunction. Pay attention to symptoms such as unexpected fatigue, sudden weight changes, or skin problems, and consult your doctor if you experience any concerns. Also, for those looking to simplify their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.